So we're checking out a Hilux 57. Hello upgrade maybe? I don't know.
Okay, you might be wondering, what the heck are these guys doing here? Well, here's a real-time update and summary of what we did last weekend at the Annapolis Boat Show. Bit of a different episode. Hope you enjoy. We're on board.
We are on our first trip, first flight. Luckily there's only two. We're not doing the mailman route this time, so we're headed to Miami and then Miami to DC, which is cool. I've never been to DC before.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Pew.
Next stop, Annapolis. As you can see,
it's not nearly as cold as we thought, but it is very chilly.
We got puffy coats on.
We do.
Let's go get a cab. It's late.
Yeah. Hey everyone, we made it. We're in Annapolis.
Woo! Now it's time to go get a painkiller.
Yes, and meet up with some of our patrons.
Here we go.
Day one was fantastic. The weather was perfect. And we had the opportunity to connect with so many friends, patrons, and new subscribers. The first night was a content creators meetup. We got to connect with all the other channels that were in the show and really chat one-on-one. This is so super amazing. Friends of ours are putting this up while we're in the boat show. And this is like staying in a gorgeous hotel room. If I could find the light. And there it is. Oh, wrong one. There it is. We got a very nice head. And this super wicked, amazing room. We have the best friends. They're awesome. They even put chocolates on the pillow.
I've got them on my belt right now. I was going to get thrown out.
Come on, guys. Boat show day 2. Woo!
Hey everyone, so we are day 2 of the Annapolis Boat Show. A lot busier today than it was yesterday, so we're super excited to run into some people. We've got a couple of meetups scheduled, so can't wait to see you guys. And it's just time to walk around and check out some boats today, so let's go enjoy the boat show. We are on our way to the Cruisers Awards.
And we're
late.
As many of you know, we're in the running for Best Emerging YouTube Channel for the International Cruiser Awards. And thank you to all of you who voted for us. We didn't make the cut, but here, check out one of our submissions. It sure was a lot of fun to put together.
No!
5th place island. Josh and Tamara of Honeytime have been trapped here for some weeks now.
It's really tough. We've been here for a while. We're trapped here on 5th place island. We managed to get a shelter up just to get out of some of the sun here. We made it out of palm fronds and some whalebone that we found. It's given us a little bit of reprieve from the day-to-day, but really we need boats. We need to get off this island.
I don't know what more to say. I mean, it's been really tough. We've been here for a long time and food is really starting to become an issue. I got something! We need help. We need those boats. Help get us off the island and back to our truck.
I mean, ultimately, as we get off this island and we get back to Annapolis Boat Show, we're the #1 and move forward. That's what we're here for. We're going to go for a pizza right now.
Help Josh and Tamara out with a vote to become Best Emerging YouTube Channel at the Young Cruiser Awards. We are running late.
We are running very late. So that's fun. So the thing has started already and we're trying to get our butts there right now. Walking, and my new shoes that I bought because I don't have anything but flip-flops are toasted. Barefoot in the streets of Annapolis and my feet hurt. So this is fun. It's always an adventure here on Honeytime. Here we go, let's walk.
Finally get a chance to gain some hard-earned recognition, but they also get to win a brand new high heels dinghy.
Yeah. We have one, it's amazing, and we call it Soldier Boy because we ranked that.
Josh and Tamara of Hanu Time, we officially present you with the Shit Show Yacht Club Burgee. Founding members of the Shit Show Yacht Club. Oh, see, we're already starting. That's how it goes with us. And welcome. Welcome to the Shit Show.
This is an honor, an absolute honor.
This is awesome.
Yes.
Yes.
I think you earned your place round the hat.
Yeah,
we
definitely
did.
earned it.
Thank you.
Good job.
We are part of the yacht club now, my friends.
And you're gonna get to know more about this in future videos.
Stay tuned, because you too could be a part of the Shit Show Yacht Club. You just gotta be a massive shit show.
Yes.
Welcome to sailing, friends.
You have to have a good shit show story, and we all do if we're sailors.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Thanks so much. This
Thank
is
you,
awesome.
guys.
We will fly it proudly.
Yes, we will.
And in true shit show fashion, we forgot the Burgie on Bill's boat, so he'll be shipping it to us. It's a beautiful day here on Saturday at the boat show, as you can see. And sailboaters are crazy. They will not leave because we can handle this kind of weather. Getting soaked, looking at boats. And enjoying the day. There's no end to the fun. The Annapolis Boat Show.
So we're at a place called Bacon Sales here in Annapolis, and it's got a lot of new and used stuff. You can go around, it's kind of a consignment store, but they have a lot of new stuff as well. If you're looking for anything, this is the place to go to in Annapolis. It's pretty darn cool.
Even these, if you need them. Or some of these. Or what do you got over here?
So we're checking out a Hylas 57, hello upgrade maybe, I don't know. Look at this swim platform, how the transom opens up. It's absolutely is an engine room. And I can stand completely upright in this engine room and reach everything. Oh my god, this is epic. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It's a great way to support our channel. And let us know what you think in the comments section. We love hearing from you.
Huge shout out and thank you to all of our friends that put us up, drove us around, helped get us haunted. You know who you are. And Scott and Diane of SV Booger. We shipped all kinds of stuff to their house and they brought it to the boat show so we could bring it back with us. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are the best and we love you.
We're finally home. My god, it was an early morning today.
It was 2 a.m. this morning. We were up and at it.
Yeah. And now it's 3 o'clock and we're home and it's time to unpack and start doing all the boat chores.
And hide out in our boat for 24 hours.
Yes.
We'll see.
Yeah,
We're
that
exhausted.
was an awesome trip. The boat trip was, or the boat show was absolutely amazing. So glad that we went, but really happy to be home too.
Yeah, that was a chocker full week, that's for sure. And then we threw in a DC day, so
yeah,
it's nice to be back home though.
Yeah. All right, bye guys. We'll catch you next week. Welcome home, baby. Well, this is a super exciting welcome home. We got back and for some reason our batteries are not working and our fridge and freezer,
our DC panel is off. So
nothing's working on the DC side.
So
our fridge and freezer are thawed out. All of our food has gone bad. And now we got to figure out what's going on with our batteries.
Welcome home.
Yay! All we wanted to do was come home and relax and feel better, because obviously I'm sick. All right, let's get to this.